that to just nice and easy without causing any further damage to the wall. Just nice and easy, bring it right back to vertical. And we'll put a 6-foot level on it anywhere on that wall and it'll be right on the money. We do this all the time. We don't, the customer is not paying me because I've convinced him that I'm going to fix his wall, but I'm going to fix his wall without destroying it and making him think I'm fixing it. We don't drill holes in the walls this big to run a bolt at an angle down in the yard. That is ludicrous. It doesn't last. It does work, but it doesn't last. We like doing things that last forever, and that's what we're going to give Fred here. So stay tuned for more of your videos. King Piers out in Raytown. Get a hold of us at 816-288-4373. You can stop by our website, kingpiers.com. Don't forget about our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. When you get on our YouTube, make sure you give us a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you.